Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I will be showing you how I did these beautiful deep fall leaf nails. So I have my lovely model back in with me, and we changed up her shape this time. She wanted to try some medium coffin nails, so that's what we have going on for her today. And I do make sure and cleanse all the nails really well. Normally for my model, I choose all of the design. However, this time she did request fall nails, but kind of however I wanted to do that. And I was down, but I had a blank wall. I could not figure out what I wanted to do. So I went in and I pulled out my leaf glitters from Glitter Mix Canada. I have a full video of this and other Halloween and fall unboxing. I'll leave that video linked down below. Definitely go check that out. So I pulled out all the leaf glitters and I let her pick her favorite one, and we used that as the color palette for the nail design. So she actually chose the darkest of all of them. This one is Falls Here. It's got some really pretty deep fall tones to it. So I started pulling colors and glitters to match. So first we have Light Elegance's Paprika. This is a beautiful fall, like coppery orange red glitter. Love this glitter for fall time. Then I'm going to put this on her ring finger and the thumb. Next, I pulled Light Elegance's Burberry. This is a cream-based gel, and it is a nice, deep kind of burgundy color. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on her middle finger. And then I decided to pull Light Elegance's Chillin' and Chilly. This is a metallic base, and it's that deep burgundy red but in a metallic form. I just thought was so pretty and would go so well with those leaf glitters. So I go ahead and put this on her pointer finger as well as her pinky finger. And I do go in and do 2 coats of all of the colors. And before we cure the second coat of the glitter, I'm going to go in with my loose glitter mix. Again, this is from Glitter Mix Canada, Falls Here. I just pour this on my palette, and I'm just picking up some of the leaves and positioning them and dropping them in the wet glitter. And then I also pulled some of the other large glitter pieces out of the mix and placed that in the wet gel as well. Once I have the loose glitters cured into that gel, I go in with my Flex Gel from Young Nails. This one I'm going to use to encapsulate those glitters. I just needed a thin layer, so I didn't want to do my build gel, but this one is a really good one for encapsulating those loose glitters. After I encapsulate the loose glitters, I do go ahead and cleanse all of the nails. So I can go in and buff out those encapsulated nails, make sure everything's nice and smooth, nothing is lumpy or thick. But I do want to note that you do want to make sure you cleanse all of the nails prior, so that way none of the dust falls into the tacky layers of the other nails. Sometimes that is difficult to get out. So I had just done a thin layer of that Flex Gel, so I didn't have much filing to do, but I go in, buff everything out, and then reshape it just a little bit. And then I go ahead and cleanse all of the nails once again. Now we could have left the design as is, but you know me, I always want to add more. So I decided I wanted to do some stamping. I asked her if she would rather do a swirl stamp or a plaid stamp, and she said swirl. So I pulled this stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is all laced up. And then for my stamping polish, I did pull number 22 from Clear Jelly Stamper, which is an orange shade. And then I pulled this metallic coppery orange shade from Sally Hansen. This is Aloe Orange. And the reason why I pulled both of these is because I wanted to ultimately stamp in the metallic orange shade, but I knew it wasn't going to show up very good on the dark background that I had on her nails. So I stamped with the solid orange first and then went over with the metallic orange. So I decided to do the stamping on her middle finger because that is the one we use the cream color on. I decided I wanted to leave the metallic color alone. I feel like with those metallic colors, you don't want to mess with them too much. They stand out really nice just on their own. So on the solid cream color, I decided to do the stamping. So again, we're going to go in with that first brighter orange. Then I'm going to go in with the metallic orange, and I do just have to be careful and line everything up, which is why we have the Clear Jelly Stamper, so we can do all of this fun stamping. And once I have the stamping on there, I go ahead and start cleaning up that excess polish. I did have a little bit of staining, but I figured I'd go in after top coat and really scrub off that staining from her nails. And after stamping, I did ask her if I could add just a little bit of crystals, just a little trio. So I pulled the Swarovski crystals in Tangerine, and then of course my cluster adhesive gel from Jelly Nails 1. And just on the pinky nail on the outside, I'm just going to put a little trio cluster of crystals, a bigger one in the center, followed by two smaller ones, capping them in. And I feel like this just gives that pinky a little bit of the orange color and really helps to bring all of those shades together for the set. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And I just absolutely love putting top coat over an encapsulated glitter nail because it's all foggy and matte, and once you put that top coat on it, it brings all of the shiny glitter pieces out. It's so beautiful. It's a magical experience. Definitely recommend. And then I do go in afterwards and I do a second coat of top coat over the stamping nail. So here's how her nails came out. I absolutely love them. They're definitely giving me more Thanksgiving vibes, even though we're in September, but that's okay. I loved how this design came out. We really just made it up as we went. I started off with just having her pick out a glitter and then started pulling colors and just slowly started getting this design together. So that was a lot of fun for the both of us because I kind of incorporated her in that process. And again, let me know down below what designs you would like to see done on my model here, and we can try to make that happen. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials coming up soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing me work on my model, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!